Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a 5-minute summertime makeup routine. I already have my base and everything down, so my foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. And I'm going to start off with the lip and cheek tint and coral. I like to apply this kind of the same place where I would apply my highlight, so at the high points of my cheeks. And I really like this shade too. It's really nice if you have a deeper skin tone as well. Shows up nicely, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I like to put on any cream products while my foundation and concealer are still wet, so when I don't have any setting powder on, just because I feel like it blends in better that way versus applying it over a powder. So now I'm going to be working with the bronzer from Subtl, which they just came out with. And this is in the shade Espresso. I feel like this is such a nice shade for me. And I'm just going to be applying this to the perimeter of my face. So on my cheeks and on my forehead as well, just to add some warmth to my face. I feel like a bronzer is a really good alternative and a good entry point into learning how to contour your face. It's a little less intimidating, I guess I would say. So I really like to use bronzer when I'm in a rush and I'm just trying to quickly throw my face together. It takes a lot less work than a contour. And I'm also going to use that bronzer to lightly contour my nose. And I'm just using this small little eyeshadow brush to do that. I think contouring your nose can really add to your look. But it can be a little troublesome if you go with too dark of a shade. So definitely start off with a little bit of product here and build it up if you need to. So after this, I am going to continue using this bronzer, and I'm actually going to be using it on my eyes. I actually really like using bronzer on my eyes. I feel like it's a quick and easy way that you can add dimension and depth to your look. Sometimes I just add bronzer by itself to my eyes and I go. So I feel like if you're a beginner in makeup, this is a really good tip to use as well. Next, I'm going to be using the Sunset palette, and I'm using the shimmer, and these are super pigmented. They're really nice when you use your fingers. They kind of intensify the colors that much more. And just gonna blend that in with the bronzer I already put in my crease. And now I am using the shimmer shade from the Nectar Duo in my inner corner just to kind of add a little bit of highlight to the inner corner of my eyes and kind of get like a little sunset eye going here. I am using the highlight today in Champagne and applying that on the high points of my cheeks as well. And I just like to blend out my highlight always with a sponge just to make sure it really melts into the skin and it's not just sitting on top. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. You can definitely throw on some lashes if you wanted to. And then I'm going to be using the Dusty Rose lip and cheek tint on my lips and just blotting that on with a little bit of lip liner. And I'm also going to add a little bit of gloss on top of this as well. These lip and cheek tints are also very handy to keep in your bag throughout the day for a quick and easy touch up. Add a little bit more blush, add a little bit more of a lip. They're really nice. So that is it. That's my quick 5-minute look I have been doing this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.